Welcome to Kerala Ayurveda. I am Dr. Jayarajan. I am the Chief Medical Officer of Ayurveda Gram, an international Ayurvedic holistic center in Bangalore, India, run by Kerala Ayurveda. Let's talk about the cardiac health today. Ayurveda considered heart as the seat of life, and it is also considered as vital point in our term marma. And there are specific suggestions and specific advices on how to be healthy, to have a heart healthy. Ayurveda says there are only two routes for any disease progression. One is the digestive route. The digestion, if it is not normal, if the digestive strength is low, and when you eat improper food like heavy, fatty, rich food, untimely food, quantity more than the requirement, that causes sluggishness, and the improperly metabolized food enters to the system, causes accumulation that leads to cholesterol formation, obesity, hypertension, etc. And the second route of disease progression is the environmental route or outside route. It can be the stress, the perceptions. Stress doesn't mean only the mental stress, the stress in the office or stress in the family. But any overload is a stress. We call it as atiyogam, excessive exposure. It can be excessive exposure to the radiation in front of his computer system, or the mental pressure, or any other that kind of overload to the system. This overload causes abnormalities like sluggishness in the system, degenerations. That degeneration can lead to cardiac conditions. So two routes, digestive routes and the environmental route. Whatever be the route, the key in preserving the heart healthy is how an individual is taking care of himself. And you have only two options to take care of yourself. One is a proper food and the proper lifestyle. Proper food means healthy, balanced food with sufficient fruits, vegetables, proteins, spices. Spices play a very important role in proper digestion, absorption, and assimilation. There are certain spices which are real herbal medicine for heart. For example, garlic. Garlic is the natural aspirin. It's a blood thinner. A regular intake of garlic helps in improving the blood circulation and also to prevent the cholesterol build and such complications. In our clinical practice, even we use garlic as a blood circulation improving herb in stroke cases and cardiac cases and circulatory defects. Then there are other spices like your pepper, dried ginger, long pepper, that helps in improving the metabolism. And by improving the metabolism, you are preventing the chance of cholesterol deposits and plaquing. That also protects the heart. And also the improvement in the circulation keeps the heart healthy. The external routes, the stress route, there are different